Why spend hours in a crowded gym waiting for equipment when you can grow massive arms right here in your home gym? Today, I am crushing arms and I'm gonna put my new Evolpow all-in-one home gym to the test. Dig deep, it hurts. I always like to start with a heavy compound movement, and today that is narrow grip Smith machine bench press. I do it with my hands just outside my pecs. I like to press it up kind of quickly, get a squeeze at the top and then let it down slow. Try to feel the tricep stretch at the bottom. Boom. The best part about having your own Smith machine is being able to take your working sets all the way to failure. Whereas before, training in my garage, I'd always have to stop 2 or 3 reps shy of failure. My favorite movement for triceps is tricep pushdowns. If I just start with pushdowns, it's really hard to hit failure. I have to use a lot of weight. It's better for me to pre-exhaust my triceps by doing a heavy movement like these, and then I'll do dips, and I can use perfect form and use lighter weight on my pushdowns. You have 3 heads on your tricep. Depending on the angle of your arm, that's what determines which head of the tricep you're hitting. When you're doing a push down, your arm is parallel to your body. You're hitting one head of the tri. When you're doing it like this, like a nose breaker, your arm is at a 90-degree angle to your body, and therefore you're hitting a different head of the tri. And then you got the overhead like this. I get a lot of tricep development just from bench pressing. Back in the 90s when I started lifting, you couldn't just like search a YouTube video. It wasn't like there was a ton of scientific information about bodybuilding available. You would just do what you liked to do or what felt good. And the majority of the time I was in the gym, I was bench pressing. Two cool things about having a setup like this in your home gym. One, you don't have to rack your own weights. When I finish my tricep movement, I just leave the weights on there, and then the next time I need them, I pull them from there. And two, when I'm in a commercial gym, I try to stay quiet. I try not to make any noise when I'm lifting. But when I'm in my garage gym, every once in a while, I'll let out a little grunt, get a little rowdy. All right, on these, once I hit failure, then I try to get a few partials, as many partials as I can. Because this stretch right here, when you let it pull your arms back, gives me the craziest burn. Okay, we got the tris. Now let's hit the bis. Let's get the whole arm as pumped as we can, and maybe we'll finish with a superset. So now we're gonna go straight into cable curls. I like to do these incline dumbbell curls. I think it gives you a little bit of, it helps with getting that peak. And for me, when I get to the top, as far as I can go here and I got the squeeze, I pull up just a little with the shoulder, because I heard that the bicep, where it ties into the shoulder, there's a little more bicep growth you can get if you get this. So I want all the growth I can get. Let's go. Yeah, okay. I feel that burn. I have a big brachialis. My bicep's wide, but where the part of your bicep that impresses the girls is leaving something to be desired. I need more growth out this way, but I've been working on that for 30 years. And this is as good as it's gonna get. Let's finish strong. Let's get that pump going, come on. So I had a partial bicep tear. I was doing it at the commercial gym, and I was doing preacher curls with heavy weight, just being dumb, not careful. This is like 6, 7 years ago. And I had a partial tear in my right bicep. And as a result of that, when I come to the bottom of this movement right here, if I keep my hands out like this instead of pronating, it puts a little tension where that tear was. So for me, that's why I come straight up and down and then curled at the top. If you've never had an injury though, you can just, a lot of guys will leave the biceps like that to get more of a stretch at the bottom. But for me, I gotta give that up and just pronate. All right, last, come on, 3 more. This is where you gotta dig deep. It hurts. Oh, I got 5 more, let's go. Oh yeah, that's good. Maybe not 5 more. And then we're gonna finish with alternating single arm cable curls. The cool thing about doing one arm cable curls on this, dumbbells are expensive. So I only have 15s, 25s, and 35s. I didn't invest in a whole set of dumbbells. I have the 2.5 and the 5 pound plates. I can set it up with any weight I want. So it eliminates the need to have a full set of dumbbells, having an all-in-one machine like this. For my last set, I'm gonna finish with single arm bicep cable curls. And then I'm gonna immediately jump over and superset with a lightweight push down, and then we'll flex in the mirror and see how big our arms look. All right, here we go. As Lee Haney used to say, last set, best set. No pain, no gain, remain the same. You wanna stimulate, don't annihilate. Stimulate, don't annihilate. Come on, let's finish strong, let's go. Have you ever tried to superset in a commercial gym during rush hour? It's a little bit rude to try to use 2 machines if it's busy in there to begin with. So having a setup like this, I feel like it's indulgent to be able to superset, triple set. I can do whatever I want. Oh yeah. Let's see how big they look. One of the other perks by having your own home gym, you can flex all you want and you don't have to look stupid in front of other people unless you film it and put it on the internet, and that's on you. Epic bicep, tricep workout in the bag. Thanks to Evolpow. If you like this equipment and you think you might be interested in getting one, you can go to evolpow.com and use my coupon code, which is Challenge Theory, or you can use a link in the description, which will automatically get you a discount. If you do use my link or my coupon code, I get a little commission. I appreciate that. But that's all I got. More cool stuff to come. Peace.